Okay, this video is going to be an introduction into the world of Google Drawings. So first thing we need to do is find Google Drawings. So one of the places to look is to search on the web for Google Drawings. Once that's come up, you're going to look for the one that says docs.google.com drawings, not the one that says chrome.google.com. So we're going to select this one up here. Now, here's where we get started. The first thing I'm going to do is we're going to make a poster. So I'm going to start that by adding a title. To do that, I'm going to go Insert, Word Art, and I'm going to say banana phone. Why not? Now, I've got my title. Now, what's really cool about Google Drawings is it's a vector-based drawing program, and what that means is I can change everything. So I can rotate my title. I can grab the corner here and move it, make it bigger, make it smaller. I can make it skinnier, I can make it fatter, and I can make it shorter, and I can make it taller. And not only that, I can actually grab the side, pull it right across, and make it backwards, or forwards, or upside down. Okay. Now, once I've got my font, what I can do is I can change it. So I can go over here and I can change the color by selecting the color, and let's say pink. And I can change the font by going to Arial and selecting something like Pacifico. And what else I can do, which makes it really interesting, is I can change the way the writing is, or I can go to Format Options and add what's called a drop shadow. And what I can do with the drop shadow is I can actually crank the distance and make it look like my words are flying off the page. It's super cool. Now, we have a title. We just need some kind of picture. So to do that, the fastest way to do that is we're going to select on the Insert Image, or we can go to Insert Image, and we're going to go Search the Web. And what that does is brings a little search window here on the right-hand side. So I can type in banana. And there we go. I've got a whole bunch of images of banana. But I don't want any with backgrounds at all. I don't want to have backgrounds on my images. So what I can look up is I can look up banana transparent and have a whole bunch of transparent backgrounds. Or I can look up banana PNG. PNG is a format that accepts transparencies. It's just a lot easier to remember PNG than it is to remember how to spell transparent. Okay, so once I have banana, I can drop it in. And all I do is drag and drop. Cool, I've got my banana. But there's a problem. It's in front of my text. So to fix that, what I need to do is I'm going to go right-click on it, and then I'm going to go and hit to this order section here. And the order means what's in front and what's in back. So I'm going to send the banana to the back. Now, a yellow banana is fine, but I'd like to do something a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to click on the banana. I'm going to go to Format Options. And check this out. I can go to Recolor. And I can change the color to, let's say, purple. So now I have a purple banana. So you can change the color to whatever you want. So now I've got my banana phone, it's purple. Then I'm going to show you a couple other tools that are really interesting. So now a lot of you have seen things like shapes. You can make these shapes, or you can do callouts. So for example, I can make the banana talk by using a callout. And it's going to say, yo, you, whatever I feel like. Awesome. But what I can also do is I can also draw. And this is where one of my favorite tools comes out. I love this Scribble tool. You can do all these connectors, and they're great for making diagrams and things like that. But for sheer fun, you just can't beat the Scribble tool, because you can just make a drawing, scribble it, and it smooths it out for you and makes it all nice. Now, once I've made that drawing, I can make changes to that drawing. So I can change the thickness of my line. I can make my line dotted or however I want it to be. I can change the color. I can even add things like drop shadow or a reflection. And then I can also change the position, change the size, change everything. It's super cool. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you is the sharing button. Now, this is one of my favorite features of Google Drawings. You can actually share your drawing with all of your friends, and you can work on it in real time with each other. That's right. You can sit there across the globe, and two people can be working on the exact same drawing, adding pictures, drawing pieces, adding text, so you can work together. It's amazing. What I recommend, try this program out, give it a shot, make some changes, push every button, and see what comes out from it. Thanks for watching.